Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The given series has terms missing. What will be the correct alternative from the given letters that will complete the series? Now let's try to find if there is particular difference between these letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now the selected letters are B, C, E, K, Q, S. Now when we look at this, there is no particular difference, that is number of letters left between the next members, that is B, C, E. There is no letter left here, there is one. Now there are five letters. There are five letters. One letter left. And over here, if we take T, there is no option for T because there is difference of 0. So 0, 1, 5, 5, 1, 0. If we think like that, there is no option for T. So this cannot be the correct sequence. So let's try to find if there is some other way of relating these letters. Let's remove these differences. Now, if we rank these letters, B is second, C is third, E is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, K is 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18, 19. T is not there. So now if we observe the ranks of these letters, all the ranks are prime numbers. So prime numbers left between these numbers are 7. So 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So the prime numbers that are left are 7, 13 and 23. So the correct order of letters that will come between the missing terms will be G, M and W. So answer is option D.